Hi, this is Tashi. Right now we're learning the second lesson, Tibetan singular pronoun. Samala tashtile. So the first we have is nga, 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 nga. The sound of nga is come from the inner of upper lip touch to the upper jaw, and there is no any kind of like a force. Just slowly come the sound push to out, and there is a sound when you listen carefully. Nga, 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 nga. It means I or me. Nga, nga, nga. You can say I, nga, nga, nga. So the second we have Khyed Rang. Key is also the sound is come from a lip. This lip touch to the upper jaw and the sound is push, and there is a I sound as a vowel. You can clearly hear Khyed Rang, Khyed Rang, Khyed Rang, Khyed Rang, Khyed Rang, Khyed Rang, Khyed Rang. Third we have Kong. Kong. When I'm pronouncing the Kong, is K sound is come from the inner of the lip and touch slowly to the upper jaw and push sound O sound. Kong, Kong, Kong. You can use this both male and female. And second also Kirang, you also you can use both male and female. So the first we learn is nga, nga, nga. Second we learn is kirang, kirang, kirang. The third we learn is kong, kong. So let's begin with this practicing. Nga, tashi, nga, tashi, nga, tashi, nga, tashi. So the second we have kirang, kirang, tashi, kirang, tashi, kirang, tashi, kirang, tashi, kirang, tashi. Kong, kong, kong tashi, kong tashi, kong tashi, nga tashi, kirang tashi, kong tashi. So this is the like basic Tibetan singular pronoun, and you need to start keep practicing. And if you have any kind of question or you don't understand, you want to know more, or basically this is not the lesson. What we teach here is about the like Tibetan jolog, means the pronunciation lesson. This is the simple basic conversation lesson. If you want to deep dive into the pronunciation lesson, you can search in the website, or I can link below the YouTube channel where they have really did a very great job about the how to teach the Tibetan pronunciation. If you really have a lot of question or confused how to pronounce, you can always contact with me. Thank you so much. See you next time.